ABB innovations have been electrifying the world for decades. Our Kabeldon cable distribution cabinets have stood the test of time. They endure the challenging Nordic climate and face any environment. We always keep innovating, turning the challenges of today into the solutions of tomorrow. We are introducing our new cabinet, Kabeldon NXT. Built upon years of trust and reliability, now featuring a significant reduction in its carbon manufacturing footprint. Kabeldon NXT brings us one step closer to a zero-carbon future.